Hey everybody, welcome to another Fifi's Tip Tuesday. Today I want to talk about SPF, and actually I'm going to just really quickly let you know that according to the American Academy of Dermatologists, everybody, everybody needs sunscreen. Regardless of skin tone, you should wear sunscreen because everyone can get skin cancer. And I've always worn sunscreen, but I started following Alicia Archer years ago now, and she does a lot of really good information on sunscreen. And one of my favorite videos is a few years old now, but even still, like if anyone asks me about sunscreen, I point them to this video, which is what I'm gonna do now. So the title of the video is "We Don't Need Sunscreen: Busting Brown Girl Beauty Myths," and it was a collab that she did a few years ago. So go check out that video. The link is in the description box, and I think it's just really important that we stay on top of that because a lot of times us as people of color, we don't think about that like we should, and we really need to. So check out that video, and hope this information helps. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.